Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a lip swatch with the new Anastasia liquid lips that she just came out with. These are all of them here. These are all the colors. I purchased them myself and I'm actually very excited for them, especially these blues because they look very, very different. So they do come in the same black packaging here in the box, if it will focus. So here is the black box that it comes in. It says the name, it's a liquid lip. Okay, so it has the color here at the bottom, and then it's in the same tube that it comes in, like this. Has the gold, it has the silver top, the gold trim, and then obviously it says Anastasia on there. So let me give you some deets on the liquid lips, which I'm sure some of you already know, but just in case you don't. They retail for $20. This cult favorite liquid lip packs intense pigment, glides easily on the lips, and stays put for a long wearing matte look. Featuring a flat sponge tip applicator, the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick applies full coverage, opaque color precisely for an unforgettable look. It's a non-drying formula and it's available in 46 shades. So these are the new 11 shades that she just came out with recently. I actually don't remember exactly when, but she did come out with them a few weeks ago. So here is the applicator. I actually wanted to show you that because I did notice that it is a different applicator than what it normally was on the old formulas. I don't know what my pinky was doing there. But it's a flat sponge tip. The other one has more of a curve to it. I'll actually pull one just so you can see the difference. So here is an old applicator. As you can see, it's like the normal dofa applicator that you would get. So this is what the old one had, and then these are the new ones. I don't know which one I'm gonna like better. I didn't mind the other dofa applicators, but this one's flat, so I'm kind of curious how that's going to apply. Especially if you have like smaller lips, it's harder to get more precision, so I don't know, we'll see. One more thing I forgot to say is these liquid lipsticks are vegan, cruelty-free, and I think that was it. So, that's always a plus. We're gonna add some lip balm because my lips are gonna hurt after this. I'm just gonna apply this. I'll let this soak in and we will get started. I'll play some music.
desensitized by hysteria, and we can pick sides. This is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies and bury us. Then we can pick sides. This is us, this is us, this is.